Welcome, I'm Nina Gryphon, and this is the Astrology and Magic channel. Today we'll talk about the astrology of October 12th through the 18th, 2025. First, I'd like to say thanks to all of my patrons. I appreciate your support. If you would like to get these forecasts early, and at the highest tier, get access to my monthly Magical Elections ebook, which teaches you how and when to make astrological talismans, go to patreon.com/Nina Gryphon. October 13th, Venus enters Libra. This is a beautiful placement for Venus, whose diurnal domicile this is. We haven't seen Venus in her domicile since June, when she was in Taurus. Now she is in her full strength and communicates clearly in this air sign. My view of Venus in Libra is that she can clearly convey her wishes for union and beauty to others, rather than resorting to nonverbal communication or subtle artistic hints. There is a certain directness to Libra as a young or masculine sign that is highly liberating for Venus when she transits this sign. October 13th through 14th, Venus in Libra opposes Neptune in Aries, trines Uranus in Gemini, and trines Pluto in Aquarius. This is the first grand trine this fall, and it is in air signs. It involves only one classical planet, Venus, and two outer planets. She opposes the third, Neptune. This gives the opportunity to reach agreements about peace that enable harmonious coexistence. Communication especially should be easier now and lighter, thanks to the flowing energy of the Grand Trine. October 16th, the Sun at 24 Libra squares Jupiter in Cancer. This is a rather grand configuration between a planet in fall and one in exaltation. The king now has the opportunity to obtain wisdom and counsel from Jupiter, the exalted guru or spiritual teacher. In this square, Jupiter is the overcoming planet, so he is more powerfully configured compared to the Sun. This means that the spiritual wisdom should take precedence over worldly considerations, ego, pride, and grandeur. Subordinating ourselves to divine order is the right move now, both because it allows us to flow with the universe's plan and because it's the right strategic move as well. Toward the end of this week, Mars in Scorpio draws into orb of the trine to Jupiter in Cancer, and then later Saturn in Pisces, as Mars forms the second grand trine of this fall. Mercury in Scorpio will closely follow Mars in that configuration as they travel close together much of October. This is a beautiful trine between the three superior planets and Mercury that we will discuss in more details as it perfects. The potential for magic and a decisive step forward is now very strong. Thanks for watching. I'm Nina Gryphon, and this is the Astrology and Magic channel.